Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to perform for addition on integers. All right. Okay, hello, hello. Let us continue. Now, let us add adding integers. Use a number line to help visualize the addition of integers. So we have 2 plus 5 equals, so using the number line, so from 0 to 2, then we have 2 to 7, so the answer is 7. Next, we have 6 plus 3 equals, so we have 0 to 6, and then 6 from 6 to 9, the answer is 9. Okay. Next, so we have negative 2 plus negative 4. So we have 0 to negative 2 plus negative 2 to 6 to negative 6. That is negative 6. From 0 to negative 6 is negative 6. Okay. Next. Right. Let's next have, we have 4 plus negative 3. So 0 to 4, no, and then from 0 to negative 3. Okay, so yan, from, then we put it here. Okay, so the answer is positive 1. Okay, then we have negative 8 plus 3. So from 0 to negative 8, then we have plus 3. Okay, so the arrow, the blue one, is from negative to negative, from negative 8 down to negative 5. So the answer is negative 5. Okay. So in adding integers, you can use positive and negative counters to model the addition of integers. Okay, we have yeah, the yellow circle as a positive and the red one as our negative integers. So a positive integer paired with a negative integer form a zero pair. Okay? So the value of the zero pair is 0. Okay. Next we have negative 2. Okay. 1, 2, and then we have another negative 0. Alright, so how many red dots or circles do we have here? So that is equivalent to negative 6 because there are 6 red circles. Next, we have 5. Alright, so we have 5 yellow circles, and then let's have 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total is 11. Alright, next, negative 3 plus negative 5. So we have 3 negative red circles, then add another 5 circles. So the answer is negative 8. Negative 3 plus negative 2. So we have negative 3. So we have 3 dots. 4, 5. Okay, so that the total answer is negative 5. Now, do you notice a pattern of rules? So adding integers with like signs. Okay, so when the signs are the same, add the numbers together and keep the sign. Alright, next we have negative 5. So that means we need to have 5 red circles and 3 red 3 circles. And then we have remove all the zero pairs. So what shall we do? We have the zero pair here and then here. So what is remaining? So the remaining is negative 2. Okay, next. We have 4 plus negative 1. So we have 4 yellow circles. Then 1 your circles. So remove all the zero pairs. So we have 3. Okay, so that's positive 3. Next we have 3 yellow and 7 red circles. So we have, then we remove the pair or the zero pair. So we have 1, 2, 3. So the final answer is equals to what? Negative 4. Next, we have negative 5 plus 6. Okay, so we need negative 6. So that means 6 red circles. Then we need also to have 5 yellow circles. Okay, then let's remove all the zero pairs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are 5. And what remains is 2 or 1. The answer is negative 1. Okay, did you notice the rules of patterns or pattern? Adding integers with like sign. Okay. When the signs are different, or adding integers with unlike signs. When the signs are different, subtract the integers and keep the sign of the larger number. Alright, the following integers. So, at the following integers, we have, okay, alright. Okay, so let's try to add this one. So, negative 8 plus 8 is 0 because these are already a zero pair. So, negative and negative. Negative 9 plus negative 11 is negative 20. So, you just add and copy the common sign. Negative or positive 13 plus negative 19 is negative 6. Why? Because negative 19 has the other number minus 13, that is negative 6. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Negative 12 plus 10 is negative 2. Negative 22 plus negative 16 is negative 939. And number 9, we have 18 minus 5 equals 18 minus 5. That is 13. Positive 13. Yes. Okay. So that's the final answer. Medyo hindi lang sila magkano, pero that's the. Alright, so let us continue. Let us answer this one. 3 plus negative 3 is 0. This is 0 pair. 24 plus 15, that is 39. Okay, negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. 2 plus negative 19 is negative 17. Negative 13 plus 28 is 15. Negative 25 plus 1 is negative 24. 27 plus 16. So let's have 7 plus 6, that's 13. Carry 1, so we have 43. 27 or 20, 14 plus 25, that is 9, 39. Then we have 23 minus 12, that is negative 11. A. Then we have negative 20 plus 3 is negative 17. 1 plus negative 8 is negative 7. Negative 22 plus 5 is about negative um, negative 15. 15. No, it's negative 17. Then we have negative 14 plus 19 is 5. 3 plus 13 is 16. 23 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so 5, negative 15. 7 plus negative 9 is 1. Negative 6 pala, sorry. Negative 15 plus 6 is negative 9. Negative 17 plus negative 28, so we need to add this one. So is 8 plus 7, 15. Carry 1, so we have 3, 4, negative 45. Then we have number 19. Okay, you may continue on your own. All right. Oh, all right. So to summarize our activity for today, we have adding integers with like sign. When the signs are the same, add the numbers together and keep the sign. And when adding integers with unlike sign, subtract the integers and copy the sign of the greater number. Okay, that's all for today. God bless you, everyone. Thank you, and let us study and study. All right. God bless you all.